You will find your true joy using your potential within Onpassive. Your greatest success and happiness in life will be found when you use your natural abilities to their fullest extent. Happiness is not having or being, it's in the doing. The essence of true wisdom is to know that the rest is rust, and that real life is activity, laughter, and love. You were created to conquer your environment, to solve problems, and to achieve goals. You'll find no real satisfaction or happiness in life without obstacles to conquer and to goals to achieve. Yes, there is true happiness. It's found in doing a job well done, and achieving a worthy goal, and putting your child to sleep, and in writing the last line of your poem. Your personal growth itself contains the seed of happiness. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo.